high school student from St. Michael College of Caraga.
Mag-interview ka okay sa inyo and yes. Willing ka? Yes. Yes. So first question, have you ever caught yourself spending too much time on social media or nakabantay ba ka? Tingin ko kayo din yung siguro ka sa
Yes, actually, katawa ko, mga pinibuhat ko nila yung mga intro ko. Sa mga trabaho ko, mga lang sa Bali, free time na lang.
How did you feel during the consumption of digital media? Kasi mo napatay ka na sa Kora ka, wala ka natin yung
I felt lazy because, you know, of course, free time, like, siguro, kasi mo ko, tapos,
Are you reliant on your process technology in terms of academics and something? Kanang na sa technology na niya.
Actually, no. Dili ko nag-rely on technology since makayo na naman ako ang knowledge nyo. If ever na ang support kailangan kami more mini library because narating ko naman ang mga need na
the digital object consumption in office affect your mental health, lifestyle, and well-being?
well, not really. Like they use like technology and digital did not affect my academics whatsoever.
What if wala ka na experience ano, so sila rin have you ever thought about stopping such habitual action at self-talk for a meantime na hindi ka mag-cellphone?
Well, actually, kinabuhat ko na ako ang meantime bitaw without using technology. Since naman ko may schedule na ako kibuhat na, for example, kanina hour, magbuhaton na niya sa mag-self-reflect or mag-read book. Since mo ko na akong ganahan, of course, as I've said, ang hindi library. Enjoy na ito makuha na ako without the use of technology.
If ever continue siya, are you planning to change your actions para mag-be better?
Yes, because technology is really great for us. Although it's a new generation na, it could affect our quote-unquote eyes. Tapos, dependent na kayo without us. So, it's needed na educate.
Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, I'm Elijah Gabrielay Cabo, 16 years old, from grade 11 St. Barbara STEM, from St. Michael College of Caraga.
Good afternoon. I will be going to ask you some questions about some research or if okay to So here's first question. Have you ever caught yourself spending too much time in digital media?
Yes, I do have spent a lot of time using my mobile phones, which leads to me stable kanila mag-use ko sa brand ako na feels
So how did you feel during the consumption of digital media?
I perhaps like coverage. The brand, permitted ang makakaway ng review naman sa
So, were you reliant on your process, technology in terms of academic example?
yes, I do have used like things in terms of academic because I can't really like remember that my teacher was taught of me. So like my teacher would say
Digital overconsumption and overuse affect your overall health, lifestyle, and well-being?
for me, it's like 70% affect my health, especially my mental health, because like during my pandemic times, like I use a lot of mobile phones, which leads to me being having like anxiety and depression because using cellphone work nawala na sa kung photo ang like tao mautong nahadukog tao really affected me. But now I am very proud to say that I overcome it in a way that I'm very happy.
But for you, what are the effects you experienced during your overconsumption?
Yeah, just like when I said, like I gained some anxiety and depression by using mobile phone.
So, have you ever thought about stopping such as a habit of app?
I don't plan to stop it, but I do plan to like make my screen time shorter because it really can affect my mental overall health especially.
So, did you ever try to prevent the overconsumption from happening?
Yeah, I do try, and I'm gonna tell you that it's very hard for me because like naanad na ko na magbutang sa cellphone, but I really try my best to overcome it.
So, my last question is, are you planning to change or repent from the choice?
Yeah, I am planning to change, but I'm never going to stop using my phone because living this 21st century is very crucial for us individuals, like to connect with other individuals too. Like it very help us in our everyday lives.
So, that's all. Thank you for answering my questions.
Greetings, everyone. I am Deborah Allen A. Sullivan, a STEM 11 student from St. Margaret.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
So, I'll be asking some questions about some research. So, if okay lang kasi.
Yes, it's okay.
So, here's my question. Have you ever caught yourself spending too much time on digital media?
Unfortunately, yes, I have caught myself being drowned in social media and using that all the time. Because unfortunately, in this generation, parang grabe na yun ang technology. So, di yun na siya malikayan nga mo-engage ko ang mga tao sa technology knowing that it's very rampant nowadays.
So, how do you feel during the consumption of digital media?
It's actually sad, but like what I said, hindi siya maligaya knowing nga parang as years goes by, mas langmo ang technology nga mas gusto ta og futuristic kayo nga kanang world nga halos tanan hatunon kay buhat na sa mga robots, sa mga AI, at bitaw. So, even the smallest gadget, parang cellphone na kuhaan yung sa mindset na bitang maating ka na bitaw, spending your time sa social media, kay makuhaan bitang maapektuhan dyan ka.
So, were you too reliant on your process technology in terms of academics at some point? Or ningabot ba ka sa point na nagsalig ka sa imong gadget rather or cellphone labi na sa eskwela?
Unfortunately, yes. I have also engaged with AI. Kanang mga ChatGPT, may bitaw, Grammarly, kanang mga inventions karon, mga apps karon na mas maka-help sa student. Pero para sa ako, it's not bad if kanang ginagawa siya correctly, knowing na kanang di ko na to gusto kanang wala tayong ma-learn, pero di ko na gusto need ko na assistance bitaw na natin isudan pero again it's about how you use it hindi yung ka dapat magsalig na tungod kay ginagamit mo siya.
So for you, what were the effects you experienced during your overconsumption?
Well, hindi naka-productive when it comes to physical activities, less na yung pag-engage sa mga tao, kaya mas kuhaan ka sa social media, mas gusto man ka nga mag-use of phone, and sometimes kung mag-use of phone, mas prefer di mo nga mag-stay sa mong kwarto. So, bahalag sa balay, di ka gusto mong gawas, maka-apekto din siya, and if gibitaw di mo na siya take into consideration, wala na siya sa imo, kay kanang parsing mo kay normal na tungkol kay you're addicted na anak technology. Pero kung tanawon siya sa lain perspective, na addict na ka, or nakaon na itong reliance sa technology o sa social media.
Pero parang nakahuna baka like, have you ever thought about starting such a habitual act?
Yes, it's again, na-conscious din ako, na-realize na po nga kanang I'm not as productive as before. Na instead sa una kayo, kung bata pa kayo, mas ganahan ka mag-play outside, mas ganahan ka mag-help sa inyong parents. Pero current kayo, tungkol kay gamit na yung technology, you prefer na mag-stay sa room, mas prefer pa rin mo maging socialize sa social media, especially TikTok, kanagin ang very famous nga app karon na halos kaunang duniya akong time. So, na-realize na ko nga, kailangan din siya i-stop, knowing na ibig dapat ka magpadala. Kaya, it's not bad man yun. It's how you use it man ang nakakuan-ana. Hindi mo dyan ikuan yung time sa pag-use sa social media.
So, pero imong gitry na kana iundang bitaw or stop or i-last mo ang paggamit sa technology.
Yes, I tried actually. Sometimes I try to what akong phone para lang din siya magamit. Pero no matter how I try, the world is slowly revolving around the use of gadgets, the usage of technology. So, hindi siya malikayan na bahala, i-try mo siya stop, bahala, i-try na ko stop, mapabalik igapon ka, kahit anong the use of messenger na very important na siya when it comes to communication. Binaglayo mo ka ng ka-chat, anak bitaw, or like yung family members na imong i-message, makagamit ka pag social media. So, bahala, i-try mo siya stop, you'll always end up using it again.
Pero are you planning to change or repent from your action?
Yes, I am planning and I'm already being conscious na sa pag-use sa technology, pag-use sa social media. Because again, it is not bad. It is how you use it. It's useful din siya actually. Na siya yung pros and cons ang social media and technology. So, ang pros kay makahelp din siya assist siya sa imo to make your life easier when it comes to communicating with other people. Kung nalang kayo search, na kayo gusto maribal ang knowledge, makahelp din siya. However, if sometimes ma-dependent na anak, hindi na nato ma-notice na na-addict na daanan. Like, hindi na out of control na bitaw siya. Mag-iso na balik sa right mindset na dapat hindi na ito i-addict sa pag-self sa social media.
So, that's all. Thank you for answering the questions.
My name is Tiffany Faith Parapolis. I'm 18 years old. I study in St. Michael College in Paraga, 712 St. Albert.
Hello, Ate Madam. I'll ask you some questions lang po about sa mga research. Okay na ba sa inyo? So, let's start. Have you ever caught yourself spending too much time on digital media? Yes. So, how did you feel during the consumption of digital media?
It depends on the context of what sa akong ipang tanaw or sa akong ipang buhat sa social media. For example, like, if I am using too much social media para pang relief of stress or sa banda napapalis.
Where do you really emphasize technology in terms of academics at some point? Like, abot na ba ka sa point na nagsalig na ka sa ibang gadgets na binasa mo isipin?
Yes.
Did digital consumption and overuse affect your overall health, lifestyle, and well-being?
Yes. I-explain ako. Okay. Yes, kay I find that na pag-listen ako tulog, hindi man sa ilog ko nga kuan. Pag-listen ko tulog, kay tungod sa kanang gadgets, like hindi lang ako mabuyan ba.
So, what were the effects you experienced during the overconsumption?
Effects? Ito, sa tulog, lack of sleep, tas kanang maglutang ko pero wala na akong mind sa mga wala ko kasi sa mind sa mga ginabuhat na makas memory loss ko.
Next question. Have you ever thought about stopping such a habitual act?
Yes. So, did you ever try to prevent the overconsumption from happening? Yes, I did. So, last question. So, are you planning to change or repent from your actions? Yes, I am.
Hi, I'm Julian Rose and I'm 18 years old. I'm from Buena Vista, Tagusan del Norte.
Hello, ate. Kanang mag-ask na ko some questions regarding sa kaya ba sa iko ha? So, first question. Have you ever caught yourself spending too much time on digital media?
Yeah, big time. Even if you wake up to someone's
So, how did you feel during the consumption of digital media? Unsa imong nabati ato mga nagatubang or nagamit ka sa imong digital media or gadgets?
When gagamit ko, usually, nagabuntag man dyan, I feel lazy. Matiyon ko katapol, tas pag magtutok ko, matiyon ko sa my dream.
So, next question. Were you brilliant in your process technology in terms of academics at some point ka na? Ningabot na ba ka sa point na magsalig na kasi yung gadgets, labi na sa pag-eskwela?
Yeah, labi na atong grade 11 kay grade 11 set A, set B, sa second week sa among class, mag-online class me kada second week. So, nag-focus din ko, nagsalig din ko sa mga.
So, digital overconsumption and overuse affect your overall health, lifestyle, and well-being. Like, naapektuhan ba sa pag-sobra o gamit sa gadgets ang iyong health, lifestyle, or routines o mga iyong pagkatao?
Kay, example na ka na, kay, for example, wake up ko sa buntag niya, taga Buena Vista, dyan ko usually, kailangan dyan ako wake up ko sa iyo para morning sa school, pero hindas yun kayo ang pag-save ko.
So, next question. What were the effects you experienced during your overconsumption? Like, kung sa mga nabati na epekto sa, sige din mong tutok o gamit sa gadgets.
My experience, my
So, have you ever thought about stopping such a habitual act?
Yeah. Like, makauna-una ako. Ay, usually kay ginag-give dyan ako ng phone sa akong parents kay hindi gusto ko mag-study ron, ginapa-immerse ko dyan ako.
So, did you ever try to prevent the overconsumption from happening? So, last question. Are you planning to change or repent from your actions? Nagplano ba ka nga magbago or baguhon ng or ihawa ang imong pagsubraw gamit sa imong gadgets?
There are times. Kaya itong galing na. Itong ginapa-immerse ko na ko sa